Next up in my organizing series is kids art, but I gotta warn you, it's not gonna be pretty, but it will be functional. First, I'm Allison, a professional organizer, and I've been helping clients reclaim their space and lives for nearly a decade now. If I'm being perfectly honest, most of the stuff that my kids bring home goes in the garbage, well, the recycling. If it passes the It's Not Crap test, year and their name gets written on the back of it. From there, I have a drawer in my office closet where all of their memory stuff goes until it gets full. It's almost full, so I'm gonna have to deal with it soon. Let me show you where it goes after that. I'm in the basement now, and I told you it wasn't gonna be pretty. Each of my children has a bin. This is it. This is the limit of what we can keep for each kid, for their memories, their artwork, their memory clothes, all of that stuff. I've got 3 big ones here, and then River has a small one because he doesn't have a lot of stuff yet. His name is on it somewhere, I swear. This is some stuff that is waiting to be incorporated into these bins. This is not pretty to look at, but it is functional. Part of it comes from not wanting to give my kids truckloads of crap when they grow up one day and them not knowing what they're gonna do with it. 1 bin per kid. We go through this with them probably once a year, once every 2 years, something like that, and pare down until we can fit everything inside 1 bin. And then as they get older, some of the stuff matters less. When they were 2, all they had was all their preschool drawings and artwork and all of that stuff. As they're older, maybe we kept like 2 of the most representative things from their preschool era and 1 thing from each era after that. But I do have a heart, and I will display some of their artwork. Let me show you. Some art gets displayed here in these magnetic storage art frames. This opens up and you can store the primary picture here, and then you can store a bunch of other artwork in the back here with these elastics. We've got one here, and I have another one here. And if you want to talk to me about organizing dilemmas you're having in your home and need some advice, you can always go ahead and schedule an organizing chat with me and follow along to keep getting organized.